Hey everyone, today we have a Golf 8 2025 newly model. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset or check tire pressure light in this car. First you need to go here. I'm gonna show you. Push this. Now vehicle here. Now you can see oil level, service and tires. You go here, click here, tires, and here you can reset your tire pressure light if it's on. My is off, so set. Okay, tire pressure save. You can reset from here. When it's on, go back. Thank you.